Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to collect emails on Shopify. Let's get started. So collecting emails is really vital if you're actually building up your email list in order to use it for email marketing. So from there, let's head over and click on this customize on my online store. And then once I have clicked on it, it will open the Shopify editor. Now on my Shopify editor, by default, we will have the subscribe to our emails. So when we scroll down, we should be able to see that we have the subscriber email, and we can just put in here the email of the customer that we have viewed. So for example, the customer has viewed our site, they can subscribe to our emails while putting their email right here. So from in there, it is actually pretty basic. This is a pretty basic function. This because it's a default on our Dawn theme. So if you want something that is more attractive, you can head back. And then once you have head back, just head over and click on this add apps right here. Then scroll down and click on the Shopify app store right here. And then once you have clicked on the Shopify app store, it will load in order to let us see what it looks like. So for example, you can search in here for forms. And on this form builder, you should be able to see in here some form builders. So for example, this powerful contact form builder, wherein it will allow you to get their text, address, phone, email, products that they have right here in exchange for something that is more valuable or less or equally valuable to their email. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment them down below and I'll try best to answer. Thanks.